Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this video we shall be looking at how to recover deleted contacts. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily recover all your deleted contacts. So I will need you to pay attention, follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not to root to device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your Play Store. Now once you open your Play Store, all you need to do is to search for this application, Deleted Contacts. So you can see this special application over here. There are many, but I will advise you to download this special one. Now once you have downloaded this, you can see over here it has more than 5 million downloads. Now once you have downloaded it, just open this application. Now once you open this application, you have to allow all the permissions. So you can see deleted contacts over here. So you can see all, and you can see deleted contacts. So you can see all your contacts over here, and you can see deleted contacts. So just click on deleted, and once you click on that, now I have not deleted any contact yet, but you can see the 3 lines at the upper right corner. Just click on that, and once you click on that, you can see restore all. Once you click on restore all, you can restore all your deleted contacts. Now with this, you can easily recover all your deleted contacts. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button, so that anytime I